In today's video, I am going to teach you how to update Microsoft Office to latest version. Keeping Microsoft Office up to date is important because updates can improve performance, add new features, and help fix security issues. If your Office apps look a little different than expected, or if you notice missing tools in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, an update is often the simplest fix. In this tutorial, we will walk through the built-in update options inside Office itself, so you do not need to download anything manually. First, open any Microsoft Office application you have installed. That can be Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Outlook. Once the application is open, you will see the top menu area with different tabs. Now click the File tab. This is usually located at the top left of the window. Clicking File takes you away from the document editing screen and into the main Backstage area, where you can manage your account and settings. Take a moment to look for that tab labeled File, and make sure you are actually switching to the Backstage view before continuing. After you click File, you will be taken to a screen that shows options related to your Office account and preferences. Next, click Account. This is typically one of the choices on the left side of the screen. When you click Account, you should see information about your Office subscription, along with update and product information. This section is where Microsoft Office handles updates, so it is the right place to look for the command that starts the update process. Pause briefly here and confirm you can see your account and update-related settings. Now that you are on the account screen, the next part is to access the update settings. Click Update Options. This option is usually near the account details and is where you can choose how Office checks for updates. Clicking Update Options may show a menu, or it may simply take you to an update panel, depending on your Office version. Either way, your goal is to reach the button that will start an immediate update. Take a second to locate the update-related menu area and make sure you are viewing the controls for updates. Finally, after you open Update Options, click Update Now. This is the key step that triggers the update process. Once you select Update Now, Office will begin checking for the latest available updates. You may see a small progress window or a status message indicating that updates are downloading and installing. It is best to leave the application open and connected to the internet during this time. Also, avoid closing Office repeatedly, since that can interrupt the update process. As the update runs, you can continue to monitor the message on screen. Depending on your system and connection speed, the update may take a few minutes. If Office prompts you to allow certain changes or asks for permission, follow the on-screen instructions. When the update completes, Microsoft Office typically returns you to a normal state, where you can use your apps right away. If you want to verify that everything updated correctly, you can go back to the same account area and look for updated status information. Updating Microsoft Office is one of those tasks that is easy to do, but it keeps your software more secure and more reliable. Once you have clicked Update Now and the installation finishes, you are done. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.